Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 11 here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to run the disk cleanup in Windows 11 here. So first of all, you just need to go to a search bar here with the magnifying eye icon here. Just tap on search icon and find the disk cleanup here. So just type disk cleanup. And as you can see, the best match will be the disk cleanup here. So just click on it, and it will open the disk cleanup section here. So if you want to clean up the C drive, or if you have other drive, you can choose that. But for example, I'm choosing the C drive here, and then click OK. And this will show you all the temporary files and junk files and the disk shader cache that you want to delete from the folder that you have chose. So for example, I'll not be deleting the downloaded program files. I just want to delete the DirectX shader cache. So you can choose the files what you want to delete here. You can also choose the recycle bin, also thumbnails and all the files that you don't want. But for just example, I'm just deleting the DirectX shader cache here, and then just click OK. And if you just have to click delete files here, and this will clean up the C drive of the file that you chose. So that's it guys, this is how you can run the disk cleanup in your Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.